Number 1 says Damon's father started a college fund on Damon's 8th birthday. He deposited $7,500 into a CD, certificate of deposit, that yields an interest rate of 0.23% compounded annually. How much money will the CD be worth when Damon turns 18 years old? So the first step was to realize that this said compound for interest. So you had to start with the compound interest formula. You need to write A equals principal times 1 plus the rate to the t power. Now I'm going to start substituting. They are asking how much money, so that's going to be the total. So leave that in A. The principal is how much money he deposited, so $7,500 or $7,500. Bring down the 1, the plus. Now whenever you have that interest rate, it's a percent, so you always have to change the percent to the decimal. So I take 23 hundredths and divide it by 100 to get decimal 0.0023. For the time, I want the number of years that this money was sitting in the account. It was started on his 8th birthday, and it goes all the way until he turns 18. So from his 8th birthday until he's 18 is 10 years. Whenever this is in the calculator and you hit enter, you get $7,674.30. That was answer choice D. Number 2 says Trisha and Melanie are both saving money for their summer vacations. They both began saving at the same time. Trisha started with $10.25 and adds $5.15 to her savings every month. Melanie did not have a starting amount but adds $10.25 to her savings every month. Which of the following equations could be used to determine how many months it will take before Trisha and Melanie both have saved the same amount of money? Okay, so same is telling them that they are equal. So you need to start writing this equation. It tells me that Trisha starts with $10.25, and it tells me she adds $5.15 every month. We do not know how many months she is doing this, so that's where the variable M for months goes. She has $10.25 and is saving, adding to it $5.15 every month. We want it to be the same as how much Melanie had. She didn't start with anything, but she adds $10.25 every month. I don't know how many months, so I'm going to put M. The equation that matches is F. Number 3. Mr. Fitch needs to get a loan to replace the air conditioning system in his home. The cost of the replacement, including installation, is $4,348. He can apply for a 5-year loan or a 3-year loan. Both loans involve simple interest with an annual interest rate of 6.5%. If Mr. Fitch applies for the 5-year loan, how much more will he pay in interest than with the 3-year loan? It told me simple interest. So I am going to figure out the simple interest for the 3-year loan and then for the 5-year loan. They would both require the same formula. I equals principal times rate times time. the principal is how much he needed, so that number is the same for each one. 4,348 is the principal. I'm going to multiply it by the rate. Remember, you always have to divide that rate divided by 100. I'm going to move the decimal 2 times to the left. So multiply that principal by the rate of 65 thousandths. This one was a 3-year loan, so my time is 3. This one was a 5-year loan. So whenever I solve both of these, it is only telling me the interest for that loan. The interest for the 3-year loan works out to be $847.86. The interest for the 5-year loan works out to be $1,413.10. Since in the question it said how much more will he pay in interest, now I need to get the difference between these two. Larger one has to go first. Minus. That gives you the answer of $565.24. That answer matched answer choice B.